The last way of pay that we're going to take a look at is commissions. So the third way we said to earn money off of something is by commission. A commission is a certain percentage on the profit of an item sold. It could be on a car, real estate, other type of goods. Some individuals that work on commission also receive what we call a draw. So the company will pay an individual an amount regardless of how much commission they've made that month. However, if the amount of commission doesn't cover the amount that then they owe the company the difference. So Ellen receives a 7% commission on each haircut she gives at the salon. During the month of May, the profits from her haircuts were $4,515. The company promises a draw of $700 a month to every employee. So how much commission did she receive in May? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to figure out her commission. So she sold this much in haircuts times the 7%. And then we're going to end up with $316.05. So will she have to take a draw this month? Yes, she will. And then we can say how much she'll owe. She's going to end up owing them $383.95. So if next month when we figure out her commissions, if that's over the $700 that she gets paid every month, then they would go ahead and they would subtract that money from the amount that's over the $700. So this kind of helps people a little bit plan more for their bills and different budgeting type things, so that way they have a set amount of money. Again, not every company that pays based off commission does this. Some employers give a set salary anyway, and then anything that they make on commission is like in addition to their pay. So they might be a salaried worker, they might be an hourly worker and make a commission as well. It just kind of depends. So here is an example. Karen Marks gets a salary of $1,500 a month. She also gets a commission of 4% on any sales over $5,000. Or $50,000. If she sold $65,000 last month, what was her total gross pay? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out how much commission she makes. And so she sold $65,000 worth of whatever it is that she is selling. But again, she's making the commission off of anything over $50,000. So she sold $15,000 over $50,000. And she gets 4% of that. So she's going to get $600 for that. So she gets $1,500 regardless a month because that's her salary. And then she's made $600 in commission. So she's going to end up with $2,100. Again, this is her gross pay. We haven't taken any deductions or anything like that. Now we could go ahead and we could actually take those deductions. So I know that she is married and she claims 2. We're going to go ahead and we want to look at the monthly instead of the weekly like we have been. So if I look at that, her federal is going to be $41. And then we're going to go ahead and we are going to find her FICA. Again, we're going based off of this amount of money. So we have our $2,100 times 0.0765. And if we do that, we'll end up with $160.65. If we go ahead and we subtract these two values from this value, we're going to go ahead and we will end up with a net pay of $18,000 $1,898.35.